Hi guys, my name is George. I'm a Customer Success Manager here at e-bate, and in this video I'll be taking you through the Newsfeed Maintenance screen for the portal. So first of all, in order to access this screen, we want to go to Collaboration and go through Newsfeed Maintenance. As you can see here, we've got some previous Newsfeed listings that we've put on there have now expired or are still active. In order to add a new article to the newsfeed, we simply want to press the plus icon here. And here we can actually add the content to this. So for the sake of this video, I will have the title as test, but the title can be whenever you want it to be. And then you can select a date range for how long you want this article to be active for. So I will select the start date as today, and we will have it active until the end of the year. And we can select who we want this to be visible to. So if we only want this to be visible to our suppliers, we can do that. And then we can edit the content. For this example, I will just put a brief message to our suppliers and then hit save. And as you can see here, this Newsfeed Maintenance article has now been published and will now be available for our suppliers to see when they log into the portal.